Stop! Before you buy your next iPhone, you need to see this. Google's upcoming Pixel 11 may have features that make today's smartphones look outdated. We're talking about next-generation AI, incredible cameras, all-day battery life, and technology that feels straight out of science fiction. Could this be the smartest smartphone ever created? Let's find out. Why Pixel phones matter more than ever. The smartphone market in the United States has become increasingly competitive. Apple continues dominating the premium market with the iPhone. Samsung remains Android's largest manufacturer. However, Google's Pixel devices occupy a unique position. Unlike other Android brands, Google controls Android software, Gemini AI, Tensor processors, Google Search, Google Photos, Google Assistant technologies, cloud services. This ecosystem advantage allows Google to build features that competitors struggle to replicate. Pixel phones often receive Android updates first. They receive AI features before other Android devices. And they frequently introduce new software experiences that later spread throughout the Android ecosystem. That makes every Pixel launch significant, not just for Google fans, but for the entire smartphone industry. Meet the Pixel 11. Family industry reports suggest Google will continue offering multiple Pixel models in 2026. Expected lineup: Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, Pixel 11 Pro Fold. This strategy mirrors Google's recent approach. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to target mainstream flagship buyers. The Pixel 11 Pro will likely focus on photography enthusiasts. The Pixel 11 Pro XL may become Google's ultimate premium smartphone. Meanwhile, the Fold version could challenge Samsung's foldable dominance in the US market. For American consumers, having multiple choices allows users to select a device that matches both budget and lifestyle. Design: evolution instead of revolution. One thing many users appreciate about Pixel devices is their distinctive appearance. Google's camera bar has become one of the most recognizable smartphone designs in the world. Current leaks suggest Google may not dramatically redesign the Pixel 11. Instead, the company appears focused on refinement. Expected improvements include slimmer bezels, more premium materials, better durability, slightly thinner body, refined camera housing, enhanced ergonomics. For many American users, this is actually good news. Consumers often prefer familiar designs that improve over time rather than radical changes that create new problems. The Pixel 11 may represent the most polished version of Google's modern design language. The Tensor G6 processor. Perhaps the most important upgrade expected in the Pixel 11 is the Tensor G6 chipset. Google introduced Tensor chips to prioritize AI and machine learning performance rather than raw benchmark numbers. The Tensor G6 could become the biggest leap yet. Reports suggest the processor may be manufactured using an advanced 2-nanometer process technology. This could significantly improve efficiency and battery life compared to previous generations. Benefits may include faster AI processing, improved battery efficiency, lower heat generation, better multitasking, enhanced gaming performance, improved camera processing. For American consumers who rely heavily on smartphones for work, entertainment, and communication, these upgrades could be noticeable in daily use. Thanks for watching. Click Part 2 on your screen right now, and let's continue exploring everything Google Pixel 11 has to offer. See you in the next video.